Hi buddies, welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at how we can customize our background on the Apple Watch, and for that we need to press and hold just on the screen, and then we can say edit, or we can swipe to our left and say new. So we can say new watch faces, or we have the activity analog here, we have the activity digital, and then a few others here. When we choose one, just click on add, and then we have the rings here, and then this is what it looks like. Additionally to that, we can also take our phone and then go to our watch app, and here we can edit our backgrounds, and then we can also go to face gallery to have a lot more options about our watch background. We can choose Snoopy now, for example. We can set the color here, and then we can say add it to Apple Watch, and now we can go ahead, and when we turn our Apple Watch on, this is our new background. So that's how you can customize your background on your Apple Watch 9 8-bit. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.